So in this video I want to show you how to post multiple photos on Instagram post. First you need to open the Instagram app and then go to the profile tab. Here find the plus on the top right corner, select it and then select the post. Here find the picture you want to post. For example, first select the multiple function and then select the photos. For example 5, and then click on the next on the top right corner. Here you can choose some effect and then click on the next on the top right again. And this all. Update your tab and then you can find this 5 photos. It worked and this all. Goodbye.